In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna both online and in store. So firstly, go to Klarna and log into your account. So once you're on your Klarna account here, so firstly, if you use Klarna Online, so you can search for the store where you want to make the purchase one. So you can, like, if you go down, you'll see like the stores available, or you can also click on the search option here and then search for the store that you wish to purchase. Okay, so you can simply go to their stores. For example, let's say I'm saying JD. Okay, so just go to any store and hit on shop online, and then now what we're going to do is you're going to simply select the item that you want to pay. Okay, so add the item that you wish to purchase, add it to your cart, and then go to the checkout page. So for example, when you get to the checkout page here, and when you come under the payment methods here, so select the pay later tab, and from there you will see Klarna there. Select Klarna and then hit on pay with Klarna and follow the prompts and log into your Klarna account and authorize the payment and complete the transaction. So that's how you pay it online. But if you want to do it in store, what you can do is create a payment card first, like similar to a gift card. Go to your wallet, and then what you can do is click on create a new card, and from there select the store. So for example, let's say Sephora. I'm going to make a purchase at Sephora, so I'm going to just do that. Click on pay in store, and from there you will now create a card. So click on create one-time card and then select the amount, how much you wish the purchase is. So for example, let's say the purchase is for 50, so I'm going to click on enter. And then now what this is going to do is this is going to create a gift card, like a $50 worth of gift card, specifically to be used on the store that I just chose. So in this case, Sephora. So what I'm going to do is click on continue and complete the payment. So for example, the first installment in Klarna, I will just do that. And then once the card is ready, all you have to do is go to the in-store, make a purchase, and then when you make the payment, select your Klarna card. So instead of paying with your bank card, select your Klarna card and then pay with that Klarna card. So that's how you use card for in-store payments, like Klarna card. So these are the ways how you can use Klarna for payments.